Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the PayPal mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Then simply log in with your existing PayPal account details. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen, which provides quick access to your balance, recent activity, and essential functions. This initial setup is straightforward, getting you ready to manage your money on the go in just a few moments. Sending and requesting money is incredibly simple. To send, tap Send, enter the recipient's email or phone number, the amount, and a note. To request, tap Request, enter the sender's details and the amount you're asking for. You can even split a bill with several friends, making group payments effortless. These features are designed for quick, secure transfers, whether you're paying back a friend or collecting funds. Managing your finances within the app is intuitive. You can easily link your bank accounts and credit cards to fund your transactions or withdraw money. The Activity tab lets you review your complete transaction history, helping you track your spending. Plus, you can use your PayPal balance to make secure purchases online or in participating stores, offering a flexible way to pay for goods and services. Beyond basic transactions, the PayPal app offers more. Explore your digital wallet for loyalty cards and special offers, enhancing your shopping experience. For your peace of mind, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Should you ever need assistance, customer support is readily available directly through the app, ensuring you always have help when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.